Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app is actually installed. Open Settings or the Store page to verify version and size. Once done, make sure home screen and shortcut permissions are granted. Some launchers block icons. Restart your device to clear transient glitches and confirm storage has space. Aim for about 10% free. If the app was installed to an SD card, move it to internal storage. These steps kick off the fix, so you can place the app icon on the home screen. You now focus on revealing or recreating the icon. Open the app drawer, long press the app icon, and drag it to the home screen. This immediately restores visibility. If that fails, go into your launcher settings to check for hidden apps or disabled entries, unhide them. Next, clear the launcher cache and, if needed, its data. This resets icon layout without removing apps. Make sure you back up any custom layouts first. These moves handle most launcher-side issues effectively. You finish with advanced fixes. Uninstall and reinstall the app, then grant runtime permissions when prompted. This recreates a proper home shortcut. If problems persist, switch temporarily to the device default launcher or boot into safe mode to isolate third-party launcher conflicts. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. This removes deep configuration issues. Troubleshooting tip. If icons vanish intermittently, watch for battery or storage optimizers that auto-disable apps. Exclude the app from those lists to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.